Two-stroke power, factory-level components, and an unrelenting thirst for off-road domination, that's what Sherco brings to the table with the 300SE Factory. This French-built Enduro beast is engineered for riders who demand precision, agility, and raw power. But how does it stack up against the competition? Let's find out. This right here is the Sherco 300SE Factory, a race-ready two-stroke enduro machine that blends lightweight handling with serious performance. Straight from the factory, it comes loaded with top-tier components, making it a true contender in the off-road world. Engine and performance. Under the hood, or should I say, under the tank, we've got a 293.1 cubic centimeters two-stroke, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine with an electronically controlled power valve. This thing delivers instant throttle response and a broad power band that excels in technical terrain and high-speed sections alike. The Sherco 300SE Factory is tuned for smooth yet aggressive power delivery. It's got plenty of low-end grunt for tricky climbs, but when you open it up, it absolutely rips through the mid and top-end range. And let's not forget the electric start, no more kicking over your bike in tough situations. Suspension and handling. This bike comes with fully adjustable KYB suspension, 48mm closed cartridge forks up front and a KYB shock in the rear. It's designed to absorb big hits while maintaining precision on technical trails. The lightweight chromoly frame keeps it nimble, making it easy to throw around in tight sections. The handling is razor-sharp, and the suspension setup provides a perfect balance between plushness and responsiveness. Whether you're blasting through whoops or tackling slow-speed rock gardens, the Sherco 300SE Factory stays composed. Brakes and ergonomics. Braking duties are handled by top-notch Brembo components, powerful, predictable, and fade-resistant, even on long descents. The ergonomics are dialed in too, with a slim seat, grippy foot pegs, and wide handlebars for maximum control. Final thoughts. The Sherco 300SE Factory is a serious machine for serious riders. It's light, powerful, and packed with factory-level upgrades that make it race-ready right out of the box. If you're looking for a high-performance two-stroke enduro that can handle anything you throw at it, this bike is definitely worth considering. What do you think of the Sherco 300SE Factory? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth motorcycle reviews. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one.